back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bubly sparkling water. I actually purchased these at Walmart today. They had 9 different flavors. I only have 8. The 9th one was cherry. I'm not big on cherry, so I left that one behind. But we're going to go ahead and test 9 of them today, or 8 of them today. I did try the apple. The apple is really good. It's kind of like sparkling water is 50-50. It's like a hit and miss with certain people. Some of them, you know, some of you guys like it, some of you guys don't. It took me a while. I used to hate sparkling water for the longest time. So it finally grew on me. So this is like a must for me on a daily, especially in the summertime. So you get about 8 of them, 8 in each pack, and they're like $3 and like 38 cents, I think $3.38 for 8. Not too bad. But I'm not too sure if you all have tried these. If you do, if you have, let me know what your favorite flavor is or what you guys think of it in the description below. And so, and those of you who probably haven't, I'm sure you've probably seen these in the stores and wondered, I wonder what they taste like. So I hope this review helps. Like I said, if you like sparkling water, these aren't sweet, by the way. It's just like the essence of the fruit, which I like. Just pour it over some crushed ice. I already have my ice right here, hunty. So like I said, I've already tried the apple. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one first. Is it this one? So we have apple. Let me go ahead and move these to the side. Okay. And if you guys are brand new to my channel, welcome. And thank you for watching. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit that red button to be part of the DAHHHLING'S family. And again, those of you who've been with me since day one, you know I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. And it smells head-on apple, like the green apple, the Granny Smith, I think it is. Yep. Now I'm not gonna fill it to the top. This one I already had, so plus I have 7 more. Yep. This one tastes just like the green apple. Just like it. So this is the apple bubbly. It says apple flavor with other natural flavors. Now, if you guys are watching, you know, your sodium intake or whatnot, they do have, most of these sparkling waters do have some sodium in it. These actually have 0. So 0 sodium, 0 sugar. So hey, no sugar, no sodium, but you get that. For me, I love that carbonation taste, so this is like a plus for me. Yes. Okay, so this is yes, a yes for me. We'll go ahead and we'll just grab the next closest one to me. So we have mango. This is a first for me. Make sure. And excuse the noise, but I was gonna have 8 different glasses, but I'm like, no. I'm just gonna use the same one. Ooh, yes. Just like mango. Wow. Wow. Okay. These are really good, you guys. And it's not like sweet. Like I said, it's just the essence of it, but you can definitely taste it. Like, even if you were to do these blindfolded, that should be another video, huh? Guess that flavor. Okay. So the mango is really good too. I'll put this over here. So mango, and we have green apple. All right, so let's do, this is lime bubbly. And again, as I was mentioning in the beginning, and if you're brand new and have already subscribed to my channel, thank you for being part of the Darling family. I really do appreciate you. Hope you guys stick around because I have more to come. Thank you for that. Thank you. Yep. Wow. It's like fresh lime. Okay, Bubly. Not bad at all. So far, I like them all. The mango, I mean, it smells like if I was just holding the actual fruit in front of me. It's so strong. But when you drink it, it's not like sweet or anything. Like I said, it's just the essence. It's so weird, but okay. All right, so now we're gonna do orange. Put the logo in the front. Let me smell. You know what it smells like? The Orange Crush. Yep. I'm loving these, honey. Very light. The rest you can kind of tell. This one, a little light, like a citrus drink. But yeah, very faint. Definitely can taste it. All right, my darling. So we got 4 more. So far, I love these 4. Yeah, head on. With the mango, I love the mango. Oh, I could smell this all day. Ah, so good. All right, let's see. What do they say on them? Oh, they have little, on the caps, the little, what do you call these things that you lift up, the little tabs? This one says hi. This one says, oh, hi. This one says, yo. This one says, what? Hey! How did it know? Because that's how I feel right now. Hey! That's right. Oh. All right. Let's see. Ooh. When I saw the cranberry, I was like, whew. I couldn't wait to try that, so. Strawberry, I actually should have left that one behind because you guys know I'm not a fan of strawberry either. But let's just do strawberry and get it out of the way. So strawberry says hi. Hey, strawberry. And I like the fact that they're all clear. There's no like colors or dyes or anything added. They're all clear, all natural. Very light, very light. Light strawberry. Okay. I wouldn't buy it. It's not bad. Trust me. It's not bad. I just wouldn't go out of my way to buy strawberry. But, like I said before, if you go to someone's party or whatever and that's what they have, just pour it over some crushed ice. A lot of crushed ice. But okay, not bad, not bad. So now we're left down, we're down to 3. So we have raspberry, what's it? Yeah, raspberry, blackberry, and cranberry. I'm gonna save cranberry for last. Let's do, ooh, blackberry. Let's do blackberry. And blackberry says, hi you. Not hey you, but it says hi you. Oh, woo! Okay, honey. Woo! That was filled to the top. Anyways, which one was this one? Black cherry? Black cherry's out for me, honey. He's after me. Oh well. Dang. I don't really taste or smell. It's very light. It doesn't smell like blackberry or anything. Just like something sweet, like a light fragrance, tropical. Really doesn't have a flavor. It tastes like blackberry. No, it's just like sparkling water. It has a hint of something, but like if you were, like I said, if someone was blindfolded and you were trying to guess, you probably would not guess it. It smells good, a little bit, very light, but it just tastes plain like regular sparkling water. All right, my darling, so we have two more. So we're gonna do the raspberry, and it says, "Hey, hey." Okay. This one smells like it. Yep. Yep. Raspberry. Yep. Smells like it. Tastes like it. Okay. So far they're all good. They're all good. Like, I would drink them all. But, so I'm hoping, I remember I did this, I don't know what video it was, but I saved the best for last, thinking it was the best for last. It ended up being the worst. So I'm like, So, this one says, oh, hi. Hoi. Cranberry. So, cranberry reminds me of Christmas. Just like when you see like the wreath, the Christmas wreath and garland, and they have like the little berries. I don't know. That's what it reminds me of. Every time I see cranberry, I see Christmas, cranberry sauce, all that stuff. So here we go. By the way, I'm getting full, guys. I don't know if it's all the. I just feel so bloated right now. But let's give it a taste. Let's see. What did I tell you? Thinking it's gonna be good. No, I don't taste cranberry at all. I don't even smell it. Don't smell it. It just tastes like, what is that? Oh my god, that tonic. It's tonic. If you guys ever had that tonic water, or man, I'm so disappointed. I really thought this was gonna be bomb, but it let me down. You let me down, cranberry. Yeah, it tastes like that tonic water, or what is it? There's another word for it, but it's like bitter. Or what's that taste? It leaves like this. Okay, so if you guys ever had a grapefruit, after you have like a slice of grapefruit, right? Have you guys ever had like a glass of water and you drink water after, and it has that aftertaste, that nasty taste on your tongue? That's what it tastes like. Tonic water, and that's exactly what this tastes like. So it has something in it, but it's definitely not cranberry. I'm so sad. But anyways, this was my review, you guys, on the Bubly. They all smell good, except cranberry. Mango is my best, by far my favorite. Smells good, tastes good. They all taste good, they all smell good. So, anyways, if you guys were ever curious or wondering what these taste like, they're not bad. These actually, if you're anything like me, this works for me during summertime. I could drink sparkling water all year long. But especially in the summertime, when you're tired of just water and you want the essence of something, I do recommend these. Again, I guess they have them everywhere. I found these at Walmart. Again, they were like $3 and like 38 cents. And you get a pack of 8. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you guys are brand new, like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be part of the Dahlhlin family. Those of you who are brand new and just joined, thank you for joining. I hope you continue to ride this YouTube journey out with me. And of course, my day one A1s, I love you so much. I appreciate you for being here. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.